In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how BOFA Adaptive Tests work. BOFA Adaptive is our newest version of formative assessment testing. It works in the same way as our traditional three-step approach you know and love: test, teach, and retest, but with minimal input needed from a teacher or parent. BOFA Adaptive Tests can be found under the My Tests menu tab when logged in as a pupil. To start a pupil on an adaptive test, all we need is their date of birth and exam date, which you can input when you add a pupil account. Our system will automatically move a pupil up or down levels as appropriate, and will stagger tests for pupils to complete to optimise learning before their exam date. This means, rather than the pupil choosing when to complete tests, or parents and teachers having to create a test schedule and manually change test levels, the test will automatically be scheduled for pupils to do, and the levels automatically changed. If you want to view our older style of testing, you can do so by clicking Non-Adaptive Tests, and you'll see all of the non-adaptive tests we offer, ordered by level and subject. Let's go back to the adaptive test page. You can see here this pupil has tests to do now, across the 4 subjects covered by our 11 Plus product. Pupils are told how long they have to do the test and when the test will become overdue. If I scroll down, you can also see there are upcoming tests listed that are not available to do. You can see when each test will become available. By delaying tests and retests, knowledge becomes embedded in the long-term memory, optimising overall pupil performance. If I scroll down further, I can then see the pupil's test results listed here. These tests at the top that don't have all the results listed are still in the initial stage, so the pupil has not yet completed a retest. The tests further down, with all the results entered, show that all stages of those tests have been completed. The report feature shows pupils which questions they got wrong in the retest, with explanations and correct answers. Pupils win awards for different achievements. I can view all awards won by this pupil by selecting My Awards at the top of the test page. If I hover over a medal, I'll see a pop-up explaining what that medal is for. There are medals for attainment, timekeeping, improvement, and more. I'm now going to explain to you how to choose adaptive test settings for a pupil. I can choose adaptive test settings when adding a pupil account for the first time, or I can edit these settings at any time using the Edit Pupil button on the My Pupils list. Scroll down and find Adaptive Test Settings. The default setting, and the option we recommend, means that BOFA will automatically schedule tests in time for a pupil's specific exam date, which you can input here. You need to choose the pupil's starting ability, and our system will do the rest for you. By clicking Edit Advanced Schedule Settings, I can choose my own scheduling settings for each specific subject. We don't recommend this option, but it's here for you if you would like it. You can choose a specific wait time between tests being made available. For example, if you're a school and you only want pupils taking tests once a week, by choosing from the drop-down menu here. And finally, you can turn off the adaptive tests altogether and return to the older style of testing. We do not recommend this. When you're happy with your chosen adaptive test settings, always remember to click Save at the bottom of the page.